Hi, this video is about how to create this vanity drawer using AiHouse. Let's get started. We will be using system cabinet. First, we lay our carcass from the library. Change the size, let's say 1004 in width and 500 in depth. Next, right-click, add function part. Add a dividing panel at the middle. Okay, and then add function part again. You can insert this grid drawer here. Okay, and then you can change the height. Let's say 150. Next, we can install the drawer. Click Install, Drawer, click in the space. Okay, on the right you choose Embedded and add another drawer in Customize and then Confirm. Okay, repeat on the right side. Okay, done. Next, we're gonna delete the handle first and add 2 handles on all the drawers. Okay, control and click all the drawers, right click, handle, install. Click add and you choose the handle. Okay, we will put this to the left first and we adjust the X distance, let's say 200. Okay, and then we add the same handle again and then we close it first. Okay, and then we right click on each drawer to adjust the position. Okay, so here we have done adjusting the handles. Now let's proceed to change the drawer style. Control select all drawers, right click door panel, drawer style. So under this universal door panel, I'll be using this door profile. You may insert the same door ID if you want to. For the side panel, you can press B for board selection and then you click the side panel and transfer to door lift. Okay, then it will become a door panel. Do the same on the left side. Okay, and then you exit the board selection and then we can apply the same door style to the side panels. So you can use the same ID. Okay, then we can change the material. Let's say I use white. Okay, and then we can use format painter on the rest of the door and drawers. And don't forget the carcass. Okay, next we're gonna open holes on the top panel. So press B for box selection, click on the top panel, right click, panel point editing. So make sure you already calculate the size of the hole and then you can use the rectangle or draw the hole. if you use rectangle, then you can adjust the length here. Okay, and then the location. Okay, done. And next we're gonna use a super board to make the glass. Okay, we change the size. Just make it smaller than the top panel. That will be fine. Okay, move it up, and then we can press Z to move it accordingly. Just move it to the top panel. Okay, and then we change the material to clear glass. Alright, now we have done the drawer. If you want to add light, you can just get it from the cloud and place it under the top panel. Okay, so you can just tilt the view and then you hide the drawers. Again, and the glass panel. And then you can just go to the cloud. Okay, under lighting, you can find the fill light. Okay, and then you just drag it out. Okay, you resize it and then you reposition it. You can use Ctrl Shift to copy and move at the same time. Okay, so done. Then we show the drawers again. Right? So this is how to create a vanity drawer using AiHouse. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Happy trying. Bye.